Hi everyone, this is an astrology and card read for the rest of May. So we've just come through to eclipses, which are all about shifts and revelations and change. And it's still Mercury retrograde until the 15th of May. And the shadow continues on for about another 2 weeks. So just remember there can be little frustrations and things not working out with the retrograde. Coming up, we have a new moon. That's in about 10 days' time. And we've also got a big conjunction of some major planets. So let's go through where the planets are. We've got Jupiter on the 15th of May moving into Taurus for a year. And Jupiter is all about growth, expansion, and opportunity. So if you know what house Taurus is for you, have a look at where the opportunities will be. We've got Pluto at 0 degrees of Aquarius, where it's been since March. And on the 19th of May, Mars moves into Leo. The big moment that I'm going to talk about is on the 19th of May. It's a powerful alignment of Mars opposite Pluto. Now, Mars is in Leo, Pluto in Aquarius. This happens every 2 years. So Mars is all about action, movement. It's dynamic. It can be assertive or even aggressive, and it's about conflict. Mars is the planet of war. And Pluto is all about transformation, power, unconscious, and the hidden. So those two forces are going to be opposing each other. And as I say, that happens every 2 years. The thing that's different this time is that it is squared by Jupiter, and Jupiter amplifies and expands things. So we have this, what's called a T-square in fixed signs on the 19th of May, with that already dramatic event being amplified. So I don't know how this is going to look, but I do know that things will happen and come to a head. And that's where these cards come in. This is a very interesting spread. 3 major arcana cards, and they all relate to intuition, wisdom, and spiritual power. So first on the left, we've got Temperance, and that card is saying during this time, have the wisdom and higher perspective to let the dramas play out and not be part of them. Be the wise guide and the guiding light for others. And as you can see with Temperance, 1 foot is in the water and 1 is on land, 2 different worlds. So do have 1 foot in the 3D world so you can see what's going on objectively, but have another foot in your higher wisdom and staying out of the drama. So the message here is to just rise above the dramas because you legitimize them by engaging in them. Then we have the High Priestess, and this card is saying to trust your intuition on what to say and do during this time. People may be speaking in black and white terms, like you can see on the pillars there, but the truth and the reality is always somewhere in between. And it's also saying whatever your situation is this coming week or 2, you have the spiritual power in it. And then we have the Star card. So the Star always represents hope after a drama. It's that sense of relief after a challenge. And it's a new path that you can travel after overcoming an obstacle. So these energies of the fixed T-square are coming in now. And they pass after about the 23rd. And, you know, if you're listening now, you're a light worker, and that is just the sorts of people the world needs at the moment to get the majority of people through this. So, best wishes for this time, and I'll talk again soon. Bye-bye.